ho! Merry Christmas!
I wish I want to have a Hot Wheel.
What you doing?
I'm writing Santa.
Huh? It's Christmas. Oh, we need to go shopping.
Okay.
We need a Christmas tree.
And now I'm going to order the Christmas tree. Let's do this. Oh, I think they're here. It's the wrong order. We'll bring it in anyway.
Oh wow! Oh my God! It's tall.
Hello? Oh, doorbell! Doorbell!
Yeah. It's something.
Oh no, it's still wrong. This isn't a Christmas tree. Oh. Let's bring it inside.
Let's play.
Come on.
Let's do it.
Hello? Yes, wrong order again. I just got some balls. This isn't what I ordered. Christmas tree. Oh, somebody's here. The bell.
It's it.
Hello? Puzzles? Yeah, I'll help.
Yeah.
Let's open this. Where's Aston?
Yeah.
Hey, Aston. I think the tree needs some love and decorations.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Magic. Whoa! Alright, come on. Look, it needs some more.
Look, yummy. Two, three, go. Wow. One Santa give it.
So if you want Santa's gift, you've got to go to bed, otherwise he won't come. But it's okay when you wake up. Eat! Oh.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, mate.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Merry Christmas!